One of the quickest ways to derail your diet and what you said that you are going to eat in the course of a day and throughout the week is when you are away from home, whether it be out shopping or vacationing or at work. And if you have been following me, you know I still work outside of the home. So I have to be very mindful of making sure that I eat throughout the course of the day. So for me, you guys, it's not so much what I eat, is what I do not eat. And what I mean by that is I am guilty of not eating it throughout the course of a day. And this is a habit that I developed early on when I was like a preteen, and it continued on into my adult years. So recently, obviously, I have been paying attention to the things that I consume because, you guys, it's important. Lots of muscle mass, bone density, and just not getting the nutrients that you need for your overall well-being is not a good thing. So I am really paying attention to that. And because of it, I have started to make a list of the things that I know that I should be eating throughout the day, and also the things that I enjoy. So what you see in front of me is an example of the things that I keep at work. So I can make sure throughout the course of the day, I am eating healthy, nutrient-rich meals and snacks. So you guys, thank you so very much for being here. Welcome to my What I Eat and Drink Throughout the Day Work Edition. So you guys, before we get into everything that I eat and drink throughout the week, let me just say this. The majority of these things I already have at work, but of course, because I am showing you what it is that I actually eat and drink throughout the day, I had to pull everything out. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. All right, everyone, welcome back. So most times everything that I need to bring with me to work for the week will fit into a little carrying container like this, and it is insulated. But again, what I have in front of you is everything that I have that I consume in the course of a week, and the majority of this stuff is already at work. So let's get started. So you guys know that I absolutely love my coffee. So at work, I've got my coffee. And then another thing that I like to drink as well is that this is my Rise mushroom coffee. Okay. So I have that throughout the course of the morning. And then what I like to put in my coffee is some almond milk. And to enhance the flavor, I've got my nut pods, which is a combination of almond milk and some coconut cream. I've got original, and I have a hazelnut flavor. So that is my beverage of choice in the morning. And since it is super important to stay hydrated throughout the course of the day. Remember, you guys, our bodies are made up of about 66% water, and we need water to make sure that everything, our organs, our tissues, our cells, etc., function properly in the way that they were intended to function. We have got to stay hydrated throughout the course of the day. So this is one of the things, okay, that I keep at work. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. And if you do not like the taste of water, then you can always flavor it. And this is just an option with an electrolyte powder mix. The Replenisher, they've got different flavors, okay? Absolutely delicious. And you guys, you could just put a little of this in your water, shake it up, and you are good to go. One of the first meals that I have is my chia seed. Absolutely love this superfood. And what I do is I have a little container at work, probably something about the size of this. And what I will do is either I make it in advance at home, or I will go ahead and make it at work. And I put it in the container along with my almond milk. And then I sweeten it with this Swerve sweetener. Absolutely delicious, you guys, because this has like a brown sugar flavor to it. And once again, absolutely delicious. And because this is protein based, it keeps you satisfied for a long time to come. And if I need a snack in between, I've got some fresh fruit. This is seasonal. I've got some watermelon here. So, because I cut this up weekly, this was one of the things that I would probably bring with me. Okay, I got that. I've got some fresh strawberries here. and some blueberries. And another snack that I consume is some dark chocolate, you guys. This is 85% cacao and it's chocolate, okay? What else do I need to say? So I put this in my travel container as well. Okay, for lunch options, I've got two that I'm going to show you today. One is a strawberry frosty made with cottage cheese, which you already know is high in protein. And what I do with this is I add some of my whey protein. That one serving's got 25 grams of protein. For sweetener, I've got my allulose. And then, because of strawberries, I've got my frozen strawberries. So at work, I already have one of my mini blenders, which looks like this. I put all of the ingredients in, I blend, and in a matter of a minute or so, you guys, I have got myself a delicious, nutrient-rich, filling smoothie. So I usually replenish this at work every week. So that goes in my little travel bag here. Okay, and of course, my fresh fruit. All right, now another lunch option is a mason jar salad. Absolutely love these things, you guys, because you've got your fresh veggies in here. You've got your salad dressing, which I hope you make at home. If you need some options, check it out up there on the screen. Okay, I've got some delicious homemade options, so that way you get to control the ingredients along with the cost. And then, okay, the only other thing that I need to put in here, which I still have to cook, is my protein. So I probably will cook some chicken breast, season it very easily with some salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Those are my go-tos as far as flavors in the chicken breast. Cut it up into little cubes, and in it goes. And you can make several of these that will last you throughout the week. That goes into my travel bag. Now, another thing that I have been making recently, because the temperature has definitely heated up, are my popsicles. Absolutely love these, you guys, and they are super simple to make. This one happens to be watermelon and strawberry, and I think I've got some frozen cucumbers in this as well. Splash of lemon juice, mix it up with a little bit of sweetener, pour it into your molds, freeze it, and you are all set to go. So I keep a bag of these at work in the freezer as well. All right, you guys, so there are a couple additional things that I need to talk about, and that is our supplements. Again, as we age, okay, our bodies don't produce the things that they used to produce when we were younger. So our bodies is definitely dependent on us to get these things through the foods that we eat, as well as some supplements. So I've got my vitamins in here, okay, and I typically have a multivitamin. I've got a D, I've got calcium, I've got a B12. This is what I have in here, and that goes in here. Collagen, you guys. Never knew until recently just how important collagen is. So I paid attention to it, and I supplement with collagen. I've got a liquid collagen here from Spoiled Child. Okay, I keep a bottle of this at work, and then I also have a powdered collagen. So sometimes if I want to put some in my coffee, because again, I do like coffee, I can put some of this in my coffee, stir it up, it just disappears. It's tasteless, you guys, and I am getting my collagen as well. So I have some of this at work. So here we have it, you guys. These are the things that I actually eat and drink throughout the course of a week. So again, some things that I need to make, prepare, and then I bring with me to work that will last me throughout the week. Some things I already have there. You guys, I hope I gave you some good ideas so that you can keep your diet on track without grabbing, some fast food or the things that people like to bring it into the office if you're still working outside of the office, such as the cakes and the pastries and the candies and the cookies and the pizzas and stuff like that. You guys, there's no need to do all of that. You can still eat healthy, nutrient-rich foods, okay, and enjoy everything that you eat and drink. So you guys, thank you so very much for being here. And if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a like and a share. And if you like the content that I am bringing you here, please also remember to subscribe to my channel and share my channel with those that you feel would benefit from the videos that I am bringing you. Guys, remember, it is a great day. You continue to make it your own kind of special, and I will see you all real soon. And remember to keep growing, to keep thriving, and to keep pushing those boundaries. Thanks again, you guys.